These are the learning objectives. First, indicate past actions using simple past and past perfect tense of the verb. Next, distinguish the difference between simple past and past perfect tense. Then, show understanding of the past and past perfect tenses. This lesson focuses on the grammatical features of past and perfect tenses, and it highlights clear distinction between the two and how they interact in forming clear and coherent sentences. Let's start with simple past tense. Simple past tense of the verb is used to express an action that happened and ended in the past. For regular verbs, past tense verbs end with D or ED. While irregular verbs form their past usually by either changing or retaining their spelling. Commonly, simple past is signaled by time indicators in the past. Here are the examples. In our examples, I will use a formula for you to identify what composes a simple past tense sentence. Victoria and Hilario visited their grandparents yesterday. Let us identify the parts of this sentence. The subjects in this sentence are Victoria and Hilario. The verb expressed in the past is visited. And the time indicator is yesterday. Mauro bought grocery items. The subject here is Mauro and the verb is bought. Notice that we do not have time indicator here, but the verb is expressed in the past. Take note that there is no need of identifying whether the subject is singular or plural. In constructing your sentence, you can add modifiers, and you can also omit the time indicator as long as the verb used is in the past tense. Let's continue with the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense narrates past actions and events. A sentence that uses past perfect tense provides two actions in the past, wherein the first past action or condition is completed ahead of another past action. Here are the time indicators. These are the formula on how the sentence is constructed. I had collected the papers before you arrived. Observe the arrows pointing to the different parts of the sentence. In this example, both actions, the collected and arrived, happened in the past. However, one action took place first, and that is collected, before another one happened, which is arrived. In this context, the past perfect tense portrays an earlier action before another action happened, as portrayed by the simple past tense. After Cheska had finished eating her food, I paid the bill. As again, observe the arrows. In this example, the first completed action is had finished, and the second is paid. This activity is about transforming simple past tense sentence into past perfect tense so that you will be aware of their differences in terms of construction. Arvin slept late last night. The subject here is Arvin, then the verb in simple past tense is slept, and the time indicator is last night. Its past perfect tense transformation can be: Arvin slept late last night because he had received a lot of homework. The first completed action in this sentence is he had received a lot of homework, and the second action is Arvin slept late last night. Second example, Lenny received a pet dog. The subject here is Lenny. Then, there is no time indicator in the sentence, but the verb received is expressed in the past. And the perfect past tense transformation can be: Lenny had wanted a cat but received a dog. The first completed action is Lenny had wanted a cat, and the second action is received a dog. Now do this activity. Identify whether the given sentence is simple past tense or past perfect tense.